What if you could connect with engineers and designers based on how they search and select components? TraceParts provides engineers and designers with easy access to millions of standard parts, available in over 60 different CAD formats. More than 6 million registered users already trust the TraceParts CAD-content platform, representing one of the largest and most qualified databases of engineers and designers in the world. TraceParts works with various industry players, including part manufacturers, part distributors, CAx software vendors, 3D printing professionals, and computer hardware vendors. Thanks to advanced segmentation options, you can precisely target your audience among 950,000 opt-in contacts using criteria such as industry, location, job title, company size, or even type of downloaded parts and area of interest. For example, a part manufacturer can target engineers in EMEA working in companies with 10 to 500 employees who have downloaded connector components for their design projects. This represents a highly qualified audience of 30,000 contacts ready to engage with your content. But what about the actual campaign? It's just 3 simple steps. Define your ideal target, send us the HTML file for your campaign, and choose a launch date. That's it. We'll do the rest. Depending on your goals, TraceParts offers a range of solutions, including email marketing, newsletter sponsorship opportunities, and display advertising. All you have to do is track your performance across all advertising formats, updated in real time through our analytics tool. Connect with a global community of engineers and designers through one of the most widely used CAD content platforms. Select your target audience today and receive your free quote.